Hi guys, Willis here from Synergy Realty. Today I would like to talk about the important questions to ask at every open house. Number one, you have to know the condition of the property. You have to check whether there are any repairs or any maintenance needs to be done. By doing that, you will find out the outgoing costs that you might have to pay in the future. Number two, you have to find out and knowing what is the reason behind the owner wants to sell the property. It can be one of the reason it can be the owner maybe wants to relocate for work. If that's the case, they might have the pressure to sell the property quicker. But there are also maybe another reason, for example, personal matter or family matters as well. In this case, you might be able to negotiate for the price even further. Last one, you have to find out how long has the property been on the market. It sounds very simple, but by these questions, you can find out a lot about the property you're interested in. Okay, for instance, we have to find out why the property has been on the market for a while. It can be the seller, they couldn't find the perfect buyer for the property, or it could be a red flag for the property itself. So we have to be aware of this situation because we do not want to make a big mistake by purchasing not the right property for us. Buying a house is a big deal, so don't forget to ask a lot of questions before you make your decisions, and good luck for your house hunting adventure. Don't forget to reach us out.